Hello everyone, I have another package and this time is it from Hungary, and as you can see there is not too many packaging. They simply just put a tape and my address all around the box, the actual shoe box, because I guess it's not gonna be a surprise that it is a basketball shoe. So here is this shoe. I'm showing it now to the camera. So here is this Nike basketball shoe. Actually, I have to check. It's Nike Ebernon Mid. That's the name of this shoe, but I'm gonna put it in the title, so that's gonna be much easier to read that than to listen to me, because I'm not even sure that I'm pronouncing it right. So it looks like a nice shoe, and actually it was for sale, so I paid about, I don't know, like $55 or $60 for it, but in Hungarian forint, so that's why I'm not sure exactly how much. And it was for sale. Probably the color version is not what I would prefer the most. Probably I would prefer the black and with a white check mark in the side, and white Nike logo on the side. But you know, that would have been like $35 more, and I guess this color is fine and this doesn't look bad. The quality of the shoe seems okay for the first sight. I mean, not okay, it seems good. Like more than okay. And yeah, it's like a normal material. I don't gonna say too much about this shoe. I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna wear it, and probably I'm gonna make a little video about it, how it is on my feet. Yeah, so that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.